Good morning, Miss Jilly Cube here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with it is actually a test pour on a canvas that I previously used. I'm testing colours because my son has given me a wish list for colours and I want to try and get it right on the test canvas and then, you know, send it on, get the approval, because it wants it done on a 121 by 80, I think it is. 121 by 80. No, a 121 by 40, the canvas that he wants it done on. So it's a nice big canvas and I don't want to get it wrong. So he wants a black navy and he wants it with the accents to be orange and maybe a bit of yellow. So I'm going to, try and do something which I've had a nice success of doing a background with some, I will just explain it as I go along. So I'm going to start off, this is my black navy that I mixed. It basically was phthalo blue, or the darkest blue, cool blue, and put a good squirt of phthalo blue, a black, and then a bit of green, and then that gives you that really nice like a navy colour. And if you want it to go real black navy, so it's like the black is black, is you just add a bit more black to your blue, so you get this lovely black navy, and it should dry a really nice navy rather than like it looks through the camera pretty black, but we will see. So I'm trying to get this colour right for the boy and for his home. So as you do, you want to try your best in all that you do, especially when it's going to go up on somebody's wall, whether it's family or your children. So I'm going to just try my best. But what I want to do through here is I want to blow some of this paint with a bit of gold in it to give myself a background. He may not like this, you know, but it was just an idea I had because I've had a really nice success this week in doing a background with colours blown through it. So we will just try, hey? Just try, that's all you can do. So I'll just go over this. So that was champagne gold, which is, I mix myself with 50% metallic gold, 50% silver. This is just a heat one. I'm just getting rid of any air bubbles. And now I'll bring me a little dryer, mini dryer in and give this, try and make a nice background. Want to put something in the background there. See, it's going, because that gold is mixing with that blue, it's giving a real nice sort of a smoke blue effect in there. But anyway, I will try and do what it asked for around. I'm going to try and do this composition with, I'm going to put a bit of the gold in because it'll go fine with the orange I'm going to put in there. It'll just, this is the metallic champagne gold, so I'll just put a bit more of the black navy because I'm going to blow it, so I want it to, what's going on there? It doesn't want to come out. Anyway, Let's give it a go. And then I've got this wicker, which is kind of like an orange and yellow mix, but it's not as bright as the orange. So I'm not sure if he wants this kind of orange or the orange. So I have got a little bit darker there. Well, maybe let's see. Well, that's completely different. That's more a red orange. So maybe I have to do one area with this wicker, which I think is what he wants. I think is what he wants, yeah. So I might try that here. And then try my, I think this is warm orange, like a warm orange colour, or just an, no, it's just an orange colour, isn't it? So I just think that that wicker looks a little bit classier. I'm not sure. Who knows? So I just better, just trying to think what I can put in more in there to float it a bit more, I guess. I don't know. I'll just give this one area a blow and see what we turn out with. Okie doke, let's try. Well, that has gone really selly, mixed in with the black and the silver. I'll bring you down to see this. It's quite extraordinary. This, I think is more actually going to go this orange than this orange. Not sure, I guess. But I actually like this rather than it be just a solid navy or black navy. I like the gold in there. It just softens it a bit. But I'd have to actually send him photos of this because he's away, and see if it's right. If it isn't right, then, you know, you go back to the drawing board again, don't you? But I could just blow some areas out. I like this actually, I do. My crazy dog, stop. I'll bring you down to have a look at this. It's quite striking and it's simplistic but lovely. Just look at this. I mean, I'm not trying to do a bloom and yet it happened. Look at it. So that wicker yellow, I must have mixed just the wicker yellow with more Floetrol in it, and that's why it's come out like this. Of course, I just did 4 little balloons in. Don't judge me. See the other orange and the champagne gold? That is not so selly, so it actually looks a nice contrast, but the wicker, just look at it. It's pretty incredible. And see, and that's that nice backdrop with the champagne gold blown. And my dogs, naughty dogs. Look at that. Wow. And so the other orange, I don't know, which do you think he's going to choose? I thought that this orange would be too candy orange, but it's turned out actually quite nice, so that's the whole piece. So I'm going to let that dry. I'm going to send him photos and hopefully something he likes. If not, it's only a small canvas, not too much of a biggie to start again and try other colours, but I think that looks absolutely gorgeous with a coat of, I think I would just put varnish on that, not resin. That's going to look super duper. So thank you, my lovelies, for joining me. Please take care, have fun in your art room, or whether it's gardening or exercise or whatever is your chosen thing for therapy. Enjoy. Until tomorrow, take care. Bye for now.